everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have another Rocksbox to share with you. Yep, another one. I can't get myself to pause this membership. I'm just loving it. I really am. I did take the pouches out of the box, so they do come in these pouches, and these have come in handy. So if you keep the jewelry, you can keep the pouch, and I use these for like traveling and things like that. So when I'm packing my jewelry, I put them in this pouch to protect them. But anyway, I can't wait to see and show you what's inside. I know what's inside because they send you a list and a preview, and you can decline your preview. I think I might have swapped out, not declined, swap out pieces. I think I might have swapped out a few pieces. I can't remember. I've had this box sitting in my house for quite some time, maybe like a week and a half or so, and I haven't tried anything on yet or worn it. So I'm excited to do that, and I can't wait to get some use out of these pieces. Now, today's Saturday, February 29th, and so I'll get charged again for March tomorrow since it's the 1st. So I'll probably end up keeping something if I really like it. Or I have all of March to use that $21 and just try new pieces. So anyway, let's see. Let's take the first thing out of the box. Oh, this is pretty. I like that it comes in bubble wrap too. So this, oh, this is very pretty. This is different. Let me show you. It's a longer pendant style necklace. It's like a marbled look too, right? I like that. It's on a gold chain. Let me, where did I put the price sheet? I just had it. I just showed it to you. Here it is. I don't have too much here, but you know what? I haven't had my coffee yet. I'm drinking my coffee. So let me take another sip. There we go. Okay, so this is by Ava Rose. This is the Camden necklace in rose gold. Oh, it's rose gold. This doesn't look like rose gold. And Lavrakite, $68. I guess it is. I don't know. Did you guys see that as rose gold? That's gold to me. Maybe like a slight, I don't know. That's gold. This has to be gold. Okay, you can't see. It's pretty. It's very pretty. Ooh, I like that. I really like that. This would look good with a lot of different colors. You could wear it with black, you can wear it with gray, you could wear it with white, you can wear it with really a lot. Maybe even some, not this blue, but maybe some other blues. This might look good with pink. I love pink and gray together. All right, let's see the next piece. Let me just put this in this pouch to protect it. So I am going to wear this one because you can use Rocksboxes. Like, remember I said you can use it as like the trial? All right, ooh, this is kind of a similar shaped necklace, and this is gold. This is like a mixed metal. That's very pretty. I have a bracelet that's kind of like that same pattern, I think. Also on a gold chain. Keep losing this little sheet of paper. Come on. Come on, Kayla, get it together. This is the Ava Rose Chelsea pendant in mixed metal. It's $55. This is pretty too. I don't know. It's big. And I like statement pieces. What do you think? You can't really see it because of the light, huh? There you go. What do you think? I like it. I don't think I'd keep this one, but you never know. Let's see how much I pull for it. Okay. And then there's one more piece. Let me grab the pouch. Here we go. Ooh, these are really pretty. These are so pretty. I like these a lot. I can see myself pulling for these a lot. These are by the brand Ava Rose. And these are the Berkeley earrings in gold and black druzy, $55. Everything was by Ava Rose. All right. I think I remember seeing these on the preview and being really excited to try them. Whoops. There we go. Oh, those are pretty. Those are very pretty. Not too big either. Oh, I like those a lot. What do you think? Oh, I might keep these. I'm gonna see how much I wear them. Let me put the other one in. I'm gonna show you the other one up close because I wanna make sure you've got a good idea. Oops. So it's the black druzy and then it's on a gold. Isn't that pretty? I really like that. And again, these would go with a lot that I have. I like them. All right, so that was my Rocksbox. I was happy with it. I love trying new pieces. You know I love jewelry, so I like these a lot. All right, so I hope that you all have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Okay, so I taped my Rocksbox earlier, and then the mail came, and I got a special gift from my friend Robin over at Robin's Closet. I'm gonna link her channel below, so I wanted to share that with you, so I thought I'd film a little bit again, and I'm adding it to my Rocksbox video. So it came in the BoxyCharm box. I think that's a sign, because I've been thinking of signing up for BoxyCharm, and I think I might have to, but anyway, it's not just, it was a card in there, and it's not just for me, it's also for Lexi, so it's so sweet. And Lexi is over here, she doesn't know yet. Hey Lex, come here. Lexi. So Robin sent me this, I wanna keep her here. Robin sent me this really pretty leopard scarf that she got in her Luxury Divas. I asked if she wanted to keep it and incorporate some leopard into her wardrobe, and she said no. So she passed it on to me, and it was so sweet. I love it. Look how pretty. I love this. So thank you, Robin. You're the best, and I really appreciate you. Lexi, and look what she sent for Lexi. The Gnaw treats. Look at, you got a treat. Robin sent you a treat. She's really excited. That was so sweet of you to think of Lexi. She's so excited. You want one now? Oh, she loves it. Come here, show. Say thank you to Robin. Come here. Come here. I'm trying to get her. She's sitting. She's being a good girl. I'm gonna have to turn the camera around. Hang on. I'm gonna turn the camera off. I'll be right back. Hang on. Lexi, say thank you to Robin. Say thank you for my treat. You really love it, don't you? I think you do. You're being a good girl. Say thank you. You're just standing there. Okay. All right, so Robin, thank you again. We really appreciate it. Lexi and I both love our new gifts. I love my new leopard scarf, and Lexi loved her treat. So thank you from the both of us. We really do appreciate it. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. I will see you in my next video.